Phone stuck in airplane mode? You can't make calls, send texts, or use mobile data, and turning it off or restarting doesn't help. This guide shows simple step-by-step fixes to quickly solve the issue and restore your connection. Part 1. Why is Samsung phone stuck in airplane mode? Software bug, apps interference, wrong settings, outdated system, auto routines, SIM issue, cache issue, hardware fault. Part 2. How to fix Samsung phone stuck in airplane mode. 11 quick ways. Fix 1. Turn airplane mode off and on. Fix 2. Check SIM card. Fix 3. Run a hard reboot. Fix 4. Reset network settings. Fix 5. Clear cache partition. Fix 6. Use safe mode. Fix 7. Keep apps from changing system settings. Fix 8. Disable modes and routines automation. Fix 9. Update software. Fix 10. Factory reset Samsung. Fix 11. Seek professional help. Part 3. Fix Samsung stuck in airplane mode with an ultimate way. A phone stuck in airplane mode often points to deeper system errors that ordinary resets cannot resolve. One efficient solution is Android Repair, which addresses glitches by reinstalling clean firmware and repairing corrupted files. How to fix Samsung Galaxy stuck on airplane mode with Android Repair. Step 1. Install and launch. Download the Android Repair tool to your computer. Open the utility and connect your Samsung device using a USB cable. Then select System Repair from the left menu and click Start. Step 2. Enter device information. Fill in your Samsung device details and press Next. Type 000000 into the confirmation field and click Confirm to continue, keeping in mind that this repair may erase all data on your phone. Step 3. Enter download mode and repair. Turn off phone, then enter download mode. Home button, home plus power, plus vol down vol up. No home button, Bixby plus power, plus vol down vol up. Click Next to download firmware and start repair.